On July 19, 2024, the digital world experienced a shudder. A seemingly routine Thursday, it began like any other, with the hum of servers and the glow of screens signaling the start of another workday. Offices buzzed with activity, and the digital heartbeat of the world pulsed steadily. Yet, within hours, this familiar hum would transform into a dissonant symphony of errors and outages. Screens flickered, error messages popped up, and confusion spread like wildfire. A major technical malfunction struck at the heart of Microsoft, impacting millions of users and sending ripples of disruption across the globe. The epicenter of this digital earthquake was a routine update gone awry. From bustling financial institutions to the control towers of international airlines, the effects were immediate and far-reaching, exposing the delicate balance upon which our digitally dependent world rests. Stock markets trembled, flights were delayed, and the rhythm of daily life was disrupted. This was not a malicious attack, no shadowy figures lurking in the depths of the internet, but a stark reminder of the complexities of the systems we have come to rely upon. It was a failure from within, a glitch in the matrix of our own making. It underscored the reality that even in our age of technological sophistication, we remain tethered to the possibility of unforeseen errors. The fragility of our digital infrastructure was laid bare for all to see. What began as a routine update cascaded into a chain reaction, highlighting the interconnectedness of our digital infrastructure and the potential consequences when even a single link in the chain fails. The domino effect was swift and unforgiving. The events of July 19th serve as a potent reminder of our dependence on technology and the importance of understanding the intricate mechanisms that power our digital lives. It was a wake-up call to the vulnerabilities we often overlook. In the aftermath of the crash, questions lingered in the air like the digital dust settling after a system reset. Recovery efforts were underway, but the scars of the disruption remained. How could something like this happen? Experts and analysts pored over data, seeking answers and solutions. And what lessons can we learn from this widespread disruption to ensure the stability and resilience of our digital future? The incident became a case study, a lesson in humility and preparedness for the tech industry. The technical malfunction that brought Microsoft systems to their knees stemmed from a seemingly innocuous source, a software update. What was meant to be a routine enhancement turned into a significant disruption. Designed to enhance security and optimize performance, these updates are the lifeblood of our digital devices, constantly flowing in the background, invisible to the average user. They are essential for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of our systems. Yet, on this day, the update, intended as a routine maintenance measure, triggered a cascade of errors that rippled through the digital ecosystem. What was supposed to be a seamless process turned into a nightmare for IT professionals and users alike. The issue originated not within Microsoft's own code base, but from a configuration update released by CrowdStrike, a renowned cybersecurity firm. This unexpected source of the problem added a layer of complexity to the situation. This update, designed to bolster endpoint security against evolving threats, contained an unforeseen incompatibility with certain Windows processes. The clash between these systems was not anticipated, leading to widespread issues. This conflict, a technical anomaly at the intersection of two complex systems, set off a chain reaction of system failures. The intricate dance between software components became a chaotic tangle. The result was a widespread system crash, leaving millions of users staring at blank screens or caught in a loop of error messages. The frustration and confusion were palpable as people struggled to understand what had gone wrong. The crash exposed a critical vulnerability in the interconnected nature of modern technology, where a single point of failure can have cascading consequences across the digital landscape. It highlighted the fragility of our reliance on seamless digital interactions. It underscored the importance of rigorous testing and seamless integration between different software components, particularly those as critical as operating systems and security solutions. The need for meticulous attention to detail in the development and deployment of updates was never more evident. As engineers scrambled to diagnose the issue and implement a fix, the world watched and waited. The pressure was immense, and the stakes were high. The incident served as a stark reminder that even in the digital realm, where innovation moves at breakneck speed, the fundamental principles of thoroughness and precision remain paramount. In the end, it is the careful, deliberate work that ensures the stability and security of our digital world. CrowdStrike, a name synonymous with cybersecurity prowess, found itself at the heart of this unexpected technological storm. The company, known for its cutting-edge endpoint security solutions, had inadvertently triggered a chain of events that brought Microsoft systems to a standstill. The culprit, a configuration update designed to fortify digital defenses against an ever-evolving threat landscape. The update, while well-intentioned, contained a critical flaw, an unforeseen incompatibility with specific Windows processes. This conflict, a technical anomaly at the intersection of two complex software ecosystems, set in motion the cascade of errors that led to the widespread system crash. The incident underscored the intricate dependencies within the digital realm, where even a minor incompatibility can have far-reaching consequences. CrowdStrike, in the immediate aftermath of the crash, took full responsibility for the issue. The company's swift acknowledgement and transparent communication played a crucial role in mitigating the fallout. While the incident undoubtedly dented CrowdStrike's reputation, their proactive response demonstrated a commitment to accountability and customer trust. The events of July 19th served as a stark reminder of the critical importance of rigorous testing and validation in the software development lifecycle. It highlighted the need for robust quality assurance measures, particularly when dealing with updates that interact with critical operating systems. The incident also brought to the fore the need for seamless collaboration between cybersecurity firms and operating system developers to ensure the harmonious coexistence of their respective solutions. Section 4. When digital arteries clog impact on critical sectors. The impact of the Microsoft tech crash extended far beyond the inconvenience of individual users. It was a stark reminder of how deeply embedded digital systems are in our daily lives. It rippled through critical sectors, disrupting essential services and underscoring the reliance of modern society on a stable digital infrastructure. The effects were felt in every corner of the globe, from bustling cities to remote towns. The crash was akin to a sudden blockage in the arteries of our interconnected world, causing a cascade of failures that affected vital organs of our global system. Just as a blocked artery can lead to a heart attack, this digital blockage led to systemic failures. The financial sector, heavily reliant on real-time data and seamless transaction processing, experienced significant disruptions. Stock markets, which depend on split-second decisions, were thrown into disarray. Trading platforms froze, transactions stalled, and financial institutions struggled to maintain normal operations. The economic impact was immediate and far-reaching, affecting both large corporations and individual investors. The airline industry, another sector heavily dependent on digital systems for everything from booking to air traffic control, faced widespread delays and cancellations. Passengers were stranded and schedules were thrown into chaos. Hospitals and healthcare providers, increasingly reliant on digital systems for patient records, appointment scheduling, and medical imaging, faced significant challenges in delivering timely and efficient care. The potential risks to patient safety were a grave concern. Educational institutions, government agencies, and countless businesses of all sizes found their operations hampered, highlighting the pervasive reach of the digital ecosystem in our daily lives. The disruption was a stark reminder of our dependence on technology. The crash served as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities inherent in our interconnected world. It showed how a single point of failure could have cascading effects across multiple sectors. It exposed the fragility of systems we often take for granted and underscored the need for robust contingency plans and resilient infrastructure to mitigate the impact of future disruptions. The importance of having backup systems and emergency protocols became evident. The incident served as a wake-up call, compelling organizations across all sectors to reevaluate their dependence on digital systems and invest in measures to enhance their resilience against future technological disruptions. It was a lesson in the importance of preparedness and proactive planning. Section 5. Picking up the pieces. Initial recovery efforts. As the initial shockwaves of the Microsoft tech crash subsided, a global army of engineers, technicians, and IT professionals went into overdrive, working tirelessly to restore order to the digital chaos. The immediate priority was to identify the root cause of the malfunction and develop a fix that could be rapidly deployed to affected systems. The process was akin to a digital triage, with experts working feverishly to isolate the affected components and devise workarounds to restore critical functionality. The interconnected nature of modern technology, while a source of vulnerability during the crash, proved advantageous in the recovery process. Cloud-based backups and redundant systems allowed for the restoration of some data and services, mitigating the impact of the outage significantly. However, the road to recovery was not without its challenges. The sheer scale of the outage, coupled with the complexity of the systems involved, made for a daunting task. The need to thoroughly test any proposed solution before widespread deployment added another layer of complexity, as engineers worked to ensure that the fix itself wouldn't trigger further complications. The initial recovery efforts, while successful in restoring some level of functionality, highlighted the need for robust disaster recovery plans and the importance of investing in resilient infrastructure. The incident served as a stark reminder that in our increasingly digital world, the ability to quickly recover from disruptions is no longer optional, but essential for survival and continuity.